Nestled on a wooded lot in Greatwood Knoll sits 6722 Knoll Park Drive. This is one you don't want to miss. This beautiful home features 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage. As you enter the home, you are greeted by tile floors, which lead to the open living and dining room with decorative moldings. The kitchen features granite counters with travertine tile backsplash, plenty of counter space, and an eat-up breakfast bar. The open family room off the kitchen provides a great place to entertain with tall ceilings and a gas-connected fireplace as the focal point of the room. Just off the kitchen is a spacious breakfast area with a door leading to the covered patio and backyard. The spacious owner's suite has windows overlooking the backyard, while the owner's bath features dual sinks with Carrera marble counters and a large walk-in shower with an oversized shower head. This popular floor plan features the connected room to the owner's suite, which could be used as a 4th bedroom, study, or a nursery. The other 2 secondary bedrooms share a full bath and are spacious and perfect for a growing family. Relax and enjoy the outside year-round on the covered back patio. This entertainer's dream has stamped concrete floors, a shiplap vaulted ceiling, and plenty of space for an outdoor kitchen and seating for the entire family. With all of the amenities Greatwood has to offer, 6722 Knoll Park Drive is the perfect place for you and your family to call home.